Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting in your Oppo phone. So first you need to go to your settings, then scroll down and go to System and Update. From here you will see Backup and Reset option, tap on it. And here you will see Reset Phone option, tap on it. And now here you will see Reset Network and Bluetooth settings, tap on it. Draw or enter your pin. Now here you will see reset option. It will not reset your phone, it will only reset the network and Bluetooth settings. So tap on reset as I show you. It will take few minutes, so don't worry. Now as you can see, the Bluetooth is reset. Let's check it. First, let's go to Bluetooth. Now let's enable the Bluetooth and I'm going to pair my Oppo phone with this second mobile. So let's enable it. Now as you can see, my second mobile is now showing here. Now tap on it and pairing will start. As you can see, tap on pair and it is connected with my second mobile as this Bluetooth icon shows at the top. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will meet you in next video.